Hey everyone, let's see today how to use Hey Siri to send text message in iPhone. So for that just go to settings and now try to find Siri and search. Yeah, you can see here, just tap on it and now please make sure guys you have just it's enabled on listen for Hey Siri. And now because you want to send text message in iPhone to someone, so automatically send message should be turned on. So it's currently it's for me turned off, so let's me to tap to turn on. So now it's got turn on. So now let's try to send someone to text message in iPhone. Okay guys, so let's see, try. Okay. Hey Siri, please send text message to my mom.
What do you want to say to Mom?
Hey mom, how are you?
I'll send, hey Mom, how are you? You can say things like, hey Siri, change it. Otherwise, I'll send it.
No, please go for it. Yeah, here you go guys. So hey Siri, send text message to mom. So guys, thanks for
What do
watching
you
my
want to
video.
say
Please do
to
like,
Mom?
subscribe my channel. Thank you.